This video I'm about to show you now, whether you decide to trash it or see it from a different point of view, but this video now exposes the dark side of our celebration culture and the rate of hunger in the society. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella. Please, I want you to see this video and understand and grasp the rate of hunger in our community and in our society. Take a look at it. Video, like you see the rate of hunger. Another man's trash is another man's treasure. You can imagine the rate of hunger in our society, that these children are scrapping for leftover meals at an event. Remember, whenever you go to an event in Nigeria, whenever you go to a function or an event, a celebration party in Nigeria, you always see the likes of this. However you try to deny it or not, udiha anafia outside the tent, because most times when you go to a big event, there are VIPs, other places, and places like this, and you cannot say that you have never seen this. Once you are in Nigeria, or once you live in Nigeria, you can never deny that you have not seen this kind of people at an event. Now, I want us to understand, people will be throwing away food while other people are hungry. By the side, that's number one. Number two is the rate of hunger. However we try to deny it, I'm sure that before now, in the probably 1990s, 1980s, is the country like this? Obodo has what? Can Nigeria deteriorate in such a way that now such events? Why don't you put food in a container and give these children? This shows you the rate of, first of all, hunger in the economy, in the society, the hearts and the minds of people. Because you cannot tell me that those people sharing food, after all these children, to give them food, they are scrapping for leftover food. Did you look at that environment? On the other part, because people are now saying this video is not supposed to hit the internet, that we are demarketing Nigeria. Okay, hunger is not waiting for politicians. Do you know? Have you ever been hungry? They say a hungry man is an angry man. Hungry and irritated and agitated. When you go to the market and try to use a barrow pusher to move your goods from one place to another, you see how angry they always are, because they are hungry and they are angry. Hunger is not waiting for politicians or election. See, your integrity and your attitude towards humanity is very, very important. However we try to fail, or however we try to sweep it under the rug, this is the effect of bad government, or twice how people love themselves and how people treat each other in the society. They say that the poor will always be in our midst, but is this how our midst? I say we're for our midst. However you try to critique this video, leave your comments on the comment section. Who do you really blame for this kind of thing? Is it the parents that gave birth to these children, or the corrupt politicians who use public funds for their personal gains, buying houses, luxury cars for themselves and for their families? Look at the situation of the country. However you feel about this video, put it on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella, and peace out.